Creative ideas for beautiful flower beds on your patio. Transforming your patio into a captivating outdoor space can be achieved with a thoughtful design and arrangement of flower beds. A well-crafted flower bed not only adds vibrant colors to your surroundings but also infuses your outdoor area with enchanting scents, creating a serene retreat right at home. Whether you are working with a cozy balcony or a more expansive patio, there are numerous landscaping ideas that can elevate your patio decor and enhance your overall enjoyment of the outdoors. In this article, we will delve into creative ideas for flower beds that can breathe life into your outdoor environment, exploring various plant varieties, arrangement techniques, and design inspirations tailored to your space. Choose the right plant varieties. Selecting the appropriate plant varieties is crucial for creating stunning flower beds. Consider a mix of annuals and perennials to ensure continuous blooms throughout the seasons. For a small balcony, opt for compact flowering plants such as petunias, marigolds, or dwarf sunflowers. Larger patios can accommodate taller varieties like delphiniums or hollyhocks, which can add vertical interest to your arrangements. Don't forget to incorporate fragrant herbs like lavender or rosemary to introduce delightful scents into your outdoor space. Utilize vertical gardening techniques. If you're limited on space, vertical gardening is an innovative option that can maximize your patio's potential. Install wall-mounted planters or trellises adorned with climbing flowers such as sweet peas or morning glories. This not only draws the eye upwards but also creates a lush backdrop that enhances your overall patio decor. Hanging baskets filled with cascading plants like trailing petunias can also provide a beautiful and fragrant display without taking up valuable floor space. Create a themed flower bed. Consider designing a themed flower bed that reflects your personal style or complements the architecture of your home. For example, a Mediterranean theme can feature vibrant bougainvillea, fragrant jasmine, and ornamental grasses, while a cottage garden theme could include a mix of roses, foxgloves, and daisies. Using a cohesive color palette and plant selection will create a harmonious look that adds character and charm to your outdoor area. Enhancing your patio with beautifully designed flower beds is a rewarding project that can significantly improve your outdoor living experience. With these creative ideas and thoughtful considerations regarding plant varieties, themes, and decorative elements, you can craft a vibrant and enchanting outdoor space that reflects your personal style. Whether you're engaging in balcony gardening or planning an expansive patio layout, let your imagination guide you in creating a landscape that captivates the senses and brings joy for years to come. Embrace this gardening inspiration and watch as your patio transforms into a blooming oasis.